Want to start an online business but don't have any money to invest? Not a problem. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful online business ideas with no money up front. No need for expensive courses, no need for paid ads, and no inventory. Just your skills and creativity. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career, these business models are perfect for getting started. Let's dive in. Number 1, freelancing. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to make money online, and you can sell your skills and services to businesses and individuals all over the world. If you're thinking what you can offer as a freelancer, then you can lean into your own skills. But even if you don't think you have many skills, you might be surprised. Some high demand services include writing and copywriting. Now this is like blog posts or website content, or social media captions. Graphic design, which is social media posts, logos, business branding. You can try video editing. This could be short form content for TikTok or Reels, or YouTube Shorts. You can be a virtual assistant, which is admin tasks. Now this is one that pretty much anybody can do. You can also do email management or customer service. Also you can do transcription as well, which is converting audio into text for podcasts. And there are lots of tools that you can do this very easily. Realistically, if you have any of these skills and plenty more, there are so many ways to offer your services. Look at websites like Fiverr or Upwork. So many people make money through these websites just by offering their own services, and there's no upfront cost with this, as you're just offering what you can do. You just need to get a profile created ASAP and then start working on it. These can be a bit slow to start as you do need to build up reviews, but the sooner you start, the better, realistically. People per hour, that's another freelancing site you can look at as well. And a good way to get started is maybe offer a introductory low-cost option. You need to start getting people through the door and leaving you reviews before you can start to charge more and more. But it doesn't take that long to get those first reviews as long as you're consistent with it. And then you can just start to rack up jobs. Also, a little tip for you, pick a niche. Instead of graphic design, you could do real estate marketing material. Because if someone's looking for that specifically, they're gonna go for you, rather than just generalized graphic design, which so many people are trying to do. So really look at what you could use your skills to essentially niche down into. Number 2, online coaching or consulting. Now this is essentially monetizing your knowledge, because if you have knowledge or expertise in anything, you can coach or consult online, as so many people are willing to pay for guidance in areas that they struggle. In terms of what you can teach, there is kind of an unlimited amount, but I'll give you some examples. Career coaching is a big one, so you can help people write CVs, train them better for job interviews, or career changes. Fitness or nutrition coaching is a really good one, as a lot of people are very interested in their health, and you can offer personalized health advice. Or marketing and business consulting is another good one as well. You could teach branding or social media, or e-commerce strategies. Even gaming coaching is a really good one, as there's tons of competitive games that people want to get better at. This could be League of Legends or Fortnite. People pay a lot for this as well, so that's an interesting one if you have any gaming knowledge. And again, similar to the first one here, niching down is a great thing to do. If you focus on where you have experience and then look what you can offer for free initially. So this could be tips on social media, but you can try and get people interested in order to then offer your full-time coaching. And this also helps to build trust as well, and you can book a discovery call with somebody and talk through their issues and essentially work out a plan for them. In terms of scheduling calls, use something like Calendly or Google Meets. And then once you build up your credibility, you can then sell additional products as well, like ebooks or guides or online courses. As long as you're giving people genuine helpful advice, then this is a great way to go. And also coaching isn't just for experts. If you're one step ahead of somebody, then you can help them. And by sharing your journey, people can relate to that and they might want to come on that journey with you. Number 3, social media management. Now, the large majority of businesses need social media, but they just don't have time to manage it. And that's exactly where you come in. As a social media manager, you can help businesses grow by creating content, engaging with followers, and just generally optimizing their social media presence. Now, what are the main tasks of a social media manager? There's be create and schedule posts. Use free tools like Canva for creating, and then for scheduling, use something like Later. Engaging with followers is also a huge part of this as well. Like responding to comments and messages, people really like that, as it feels like they're being listened to, and they're going to be a more loyal audience from that point onwards. Optimizing content strategy as well is very important. So if you find trending topics and hashtags and build content around that, that can be massively useful. And generally just growing accounts through brand awareness, there's so much you can do for that. In terms of who needs social media management, I mean, probably most businesses, but Maybe look at some local businesses near you. Just doing a Google search on this is really helpful. As long as you put your location in, you'll be able to see lots of different businesses around you. And a lot of businesses do like working with local agencies or local freelancers, as you can meet them face to face and it builds an extra level of trust there. But also look at online entrepreneurs, maybe those that don't have a big business yet but that are just getting started, as they're way more likely to respond to you emailing them. And then maybe look at Etsy sellers or smaller brands, as again, they're trying to build their social media, they're going to need your help. And again, try and niche down on this. This doesn't just have to be industry, this could also just be by platform. So you could be an Instagram specialist or purely a TikTok specialist. Obviously, a lot of businesses might need multiple platforms, or you can share your reels to TikTok and YouTube Shorts and so on, but try to look for ways to specialize. And again, in order to start building awareness of what you're doing and building up testimonials, you might need to offer a lower cost option or free resources at the beginning, just to get a bit of attention. And then once you've proven yourself, you can charge more for your services and get a proper rate. And also a big tip here is just to learn analytics, because you really want to show the people you're working with how their pages have grown. So analytics is so important for that. Even if there's just small increases, it still shows data that things are working. And this also means in the future you can justify higher prices. But a big summary on this is niching down and building testimonials. Social proof is so important, and you're only going to get more and more work the more you build this. And all of these can be started today. Just get on Fiverr, get on Upwork and make that profile and just go from there. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.